When you need maximum power to loosen or tighten nuts, bolts and lug nuts, you need an Dewalt impact wrench. Dewalt impact wrenches bring high torque rotational force to a low-weight tool, making jobs like changing car tires a cinch. There are many products available to choose the best Dewalt wrench, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max XR High Torque, a half-inch impact wrench. Ders or pros who need a powerful impact wrench should check out the 20V Max XR High Torque impact wrench from Dewalt. This 20-volt brushless impact wrench features a 1/2-inch anvil, maximum nut-busting torque of 1,200 foot-pounds, and a typical torque value of 700 foot-pounds. The Dewalt impact wrench features a durable design, allowing it to withstand up to a 6-foot drop. The anvil has a hog ring-style detent for keeping sockets in place, and the LED work light illuminates the workspace. The 20V Max XR High Torque impact wrench from Dewalt proved to be one powerful impact wrench during the test. It drove and broke lags, lug nuts, and everything else we could throw at it. Number 2. Dewalt 20V Max Impact Wrench Kit. For Ders hunting high and low for a powerful impact wrench with 2 high-capacity batteries but a relatively affordable price tag, the Dewalt 20V Max Impact Wrench Kit might be the one to consider. This kit comes with a 400 foot-pound impact wrench and 2 4Ah batteries, while still costing less than many bare tool kits. The Dewalt 20V Max Impact Wrench Kit doesn't have any speed or impact selectors, but it does feature a 1500 motor and a variable speed trigger. Also, it has an onboard LED work light for illuminating dark spaces. The magnesium gear case and metal transmission help shed weight while still remaining durable. Number 3. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. For jobs that require power but no fuss, the Dewalt 20V Max Lithium-ion Cordless Impact Wrench Kit offers maximum torque without the inconvenience of a long cord. The tool has 130 feet-pound of maximum torque and 2,700 Ip that works on fasteners in even tough wood, masonry, and metal in no time. It is a breeze to use in small spaces and cuts through rusted bolts or oxidized lug nuts quickly and easily. It is also stocked with items for long-term use in places that may not have easy access to power. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Max, a half-inch cordless impact wrench kit. Removing stubborn lug nuts can be a painstaking task, so you'll want to invest in a heavy-duty tool that can get the job done quickly. Our top pick is the Dewalt 20V Max XR Lithium-ion Cordless Impact Wrench because it has 700 feet-pound of maximum fastening torque, 1,200 feet-pound of nut-busting torque, and a brushless motor that will extend its life. A 1/2-inch anvil with a detent pin makes the wrench resistant to breakage and the annoying shearing that so often comes with lug nut removal. It can handle drops from as high as 8 feet with its compact design and durable casing. This impact wrench also has an LED light with a 20-second delay for use in dark spaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.